this back in there. Let's mess with an opposite person. So if you bend forward, you still have a little curve in here, right? She didn't have a big curve, but bend forward just a second. And your curve went off to the right, but not much, right? Okay, so we're going to do the same inventory with her. And we're just going to sort of tweak the inventory a little bit. So she's still going to be super tall, right? And if she's hyperlordotic, I'm not going to cue lordosis, but she actually feels like she could use it, so I'm going to give her a little lordosis. And now I don't want to cue her back into kyphosis, so I'm going to cue her to lift from her upper back and lift her kyphosis instead of round her kyphosis. Then she would shift to the left. Then she would keyhole this, or teapot, or whatever you want to call it. And then, do I want to breathe over here? No. Here. So now I'm going to have her breathe through the front of this. So breathing, inhale through the front body, so that I don't encourage her to breathe into the back and get more kyphotic. I'm going to flip it so breath comes to the front. Right? So she's actually going to breathe through the lower ribs in the front. And there you go. Nice. So every time she breathes, she's going to be lifting the rib cage. That's amazing. I can feel it. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So it's just a matter of changing the breath. So I would have her, hey, in your sports and your daily life, breathe over there. Breathe over there. Breathe that way. Okay, but the same inventory, we're just tweaking our intention a little bit. But you can still shift. I'm still going to correct a shoulder. I'm still going to do all that good stuff. Yeah. Okay, so that was your breathing laboratory. So if we go to page 11, you can see an MRI, a cross-section, looking down into the thoracic cavity. And the arrows are going to show where the breath needs to go. Backwards on the left, forwards on the right would be super fancy pants. We didn't even go there. But you could. Because this person is breathing normally with the right curve. They're breathing over here and here where the pokey rib was. So they're breathing here. So you would be reversing it and breathing here. But most clients are like, that's too much. So I just stick with this, and I suck the alien in. What do you call it?
Do they get the opposite end, the front end, after? Do you ever go to that?
I do, but a lot of people are like, I can't three-dimensionally breathe yet. So, but technically, I would be breathing here and here. Just stick with this for now. If it's that curve. If it's a reverse curve, I breathe on this side.